In this video, I'll be showing you how to navigate in ALEKS after completing the initial knowledge check. Once you've completed your initial knowledge check, you'll be taken to your home screen, which looks like this screen, in order to work in your course. Choose Start My Path. It may also say Continue My Path, or it may also say Work Ahead if you've already had credit for everything in week 1. There are 2 important reports that I'd like to talk about. So we can access the reports from the menu, which is found at the top left of your screen. So we'll click on these 3 lines to open up our menu. The first report is the Pi report. So I'll click on Reports. And then the first tile in the center, you'll see a number. This is called your Pi number. It's the number of topics for which you have credit for in the course. Those topics might be mastered on a knowledge check or learned in learning mode. Anytime we talk about the number of topics in your Pi, this is the number that we're referring to. The other tile that I want to talk about is going to be the current module report, which is this tile right here. It's important to view the full report, so we'll click on View Full Report. So we're going to take a look at week 1. Notice at the top left, it has when the topics are due for that week. Here we see that week 1 topics are due August 28th at 11:59 p.m. The circle says that 92%. So if I were to stop working right now, I would receive a grade of 92% for week 1. That means that I've done 12 of the 13 goal topics. There are a total of 13 goal topics. I have 1 goal topic remaining and 0 prerequisite topics remaining. That means that I really have a total of 1 topic left that I need to get done for this week. The prerequisite topics are topics that are necessary for me to unlock the goal topics. Everyone's number of goal and prerequisite topics might be different, but everyone has the same number of goal topics. This is the screen where you want to start each week. You can use these numbers to ensure that you are able to finish the week by the due date. The next topic from the menu is Learn. Learn takes you into the learning mode where you can work in the course. The next topic is Review. This is a good place to go before a CKC just to remind yourself what you've been working on. Then we have Assignments. This is where you can access your CKCs. Worksheet will allow you to print a worksheet for yourself on topics you've been working on recently. It might be a good idea to use prior to a CKC. ALEKS will email you the answers to the worksheet. When we click on Worksheet, in order to make one, we'll just click on New ALEKS Worksheet. Then we have Calendar. Here you can find a list of due dates in the course. A really important one is Gradebook. This is where you can find your grades. Please note that your ALEKS Gradebook only updates at the deadline. So if week 1 topics are due on September 4th at 11:59 p.m., that is when my gradebook for week 1 topics will go into the gradebook. We've already discussed reports. The other thing might be textbook. So in this textbook button, when you work in the course, you always have access to the ebook on the right hand side of the screen when you're in learning mode. If you click on the plus sign here, you have the option to order a printed version of the textbook. Clicking that will take you to the McGraw-Hill website, who is the publisher for our text, and you can have a loose leaf version of the textbook sent to you directly at your house for $27. If you go back to the home screen, you can click Continue My Path, or in this case, Start My Path, and work in the course. Please let me know if you have any questions, and enjoy your course.